In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email from Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, choose the official Yahoo Mail link. You'll usually recognize it by the familiar Yahoo branding and a secure padlock icon in the address bar. This ensures you're heading to the right place without distractions or lookalike pages. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you're prompted. Enter your login details privately and make sure no one else can view your screen if you're in a shared space. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to the new Yahoo Mail view, which is the modern layout most users see. Next, open the email you want to print. You can find it right from your inbox, or use the search bar at the top if it's buried in your messages. Click the subject line to open the message fully. If you have conversation threads turned on, keep in mind that multiple replies may be grouped together, so scroll to the specific part of the thread you want to print. With the email open, look for the print icon, which typically looks like a small printer. Depending on your screen size and layout, you might find it on the toolbar near the top of the message. If you don't see it right away, click the More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or 3 lines, and select Print from the drop-down menu. This ensures you're using Yahoo Mail's built-in print option rather than a generic browser print, which can capture extra elements on the page. A print preview window will appear showing a clean version of the email, stripped of menus and ads. Take a moment to review the preview so you know exactly what will be on paper. If the message is long or part of a thread, check the page count. Note that attachments usually don't print automatically. They need to be opened and printed separately if needed. Now choose your printer and adjust the settings to your needs. You can select the number of copies, pick specific pages if you don't need the entire conversation, and switch between color and black and white. If the content looks cut off, try changing orientation between portrait and landscape, or adjust scaling so everything fits neatly on the page. Make sure your printer is powered on, connected, and has paper. When everything looks right, click Print. If the preview or print dialog doesn't appear, a pop-up blocker may be interfering, so allow pop-ups for Yahoo Mail and try again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully printed an email from Yahoo Mail.